Welcome to everybody to our today's topic, that is capital. Here we should know what is capital and how it is used in the accounting. So let's start. What is capital? So capital means whatever invested by owner into the business is called capital. Here whatever means two things, that is money, or second one is money's worth. Money means cash in hand, cash at bank, whereas money's worth refers to any kind of properties, assets, articles, objects, etc. That means when a owner comes to start a business, then he has to bring some cash in hand and certain properties like land, building, furnitures, motorcycles, etc., which are required for the business organization. So whatever money or money's worth invested by owner into the business, that is called our capital. That means instead of using the name of owner, we should always use capital in accounting. So for the owner, generally two terms are used. One is capital and another one is drawings. So drawings is just reverse the meaning of capital. That means whatever invested by owner into the business is called capital, whereas drawings means whatever taken by owner for its personal or private use, like payment of LIC premium, payment of income tax, rent of residence, expenses on personal function, gift to family members. All such expenses are called drawings. So capital means whatever invested by owner into the business, whereas drawings means whatever taken by owner from the business for its personal or private use, that is called our drawings. So whatever means here, whatever refers to money or money's worth. Money includes cash in hand or cash at bank. Money's worth means the properties or articles or objects that can be expressed in terms of money. That is called our money's worth. We also can draw a circular flow for getting the better understanding regarding our capital and drawings. So let's take the owner of the business. Owner of the business here, and it is the only person who maintains link with family and also with business. That means the owner is the only person who takes part in the activities of the business and also in the activities of the family. That means when it wants to start a business, so whatever the requirement of the business, it brings all these requirements from the family. That means the requirement of money, the requirement of assets, or the requirement of the properties. That means whatever is required by a owner to start a business, all such things or all those monies, it should bring from the family. So whatever money or money's worth invested by owner into the business from its family, that is called our capital. At the same time, when some monies are required or any properties are required in the family, all such requirements should be fulfilled by owner by withdrawing cash or by withdrawing properties or withdrawing goods from the business. So whatever goods or whatever monies or money's worth or whatever things taken by the owner from its business for its personal and private or domestic use, that is called drawings. So this is all about our capital and drawings. I think you should get better knowledge by watching this video repeatedly and share it with all your friends to help them to get the knowledge regarding capital and drawings. Thank you.